So, friends, are you ready to learn kids all about electricity? Then let's get started. What is electricity? Electricity is the flow of tiny particles called electrons. Electrons carry a negative charge. The flow of these electrons from one place to another is what we call electric current. Electric current is measured in a unit called ampere. 1 ampere is equal to 1 coulomb of electric charge flowing past a point in a circuit every second. To get the electrons flowing, we need two things: a power source like a battery and a conductor like a wire. Electrons will only flow if there is a difference in electrical potential energy between 2 points. A battery provides this potential energy. It pushes the electrons through the wire from the negative terminal to the positive terminal. The negative terminal of the battery is the source of the electrons. The positive terminal of the battery is the destination of the electrons. So electrons flow from the negative terminal to the positive terminal inside the battery. They do work such as lighting a bulb or running a motor, and then they return back to the negative terminal of the battery to complete the circuit. This closed path or loop that the electrons travel along is what we call an electric circuit. For the electrons to travel easily, we need a good conductor like a copper wire. Materials that allow electricity to pass through them easily are known as conductors. Metals make good conductors because they have free electrons that can move from atom to atom. Some materials like glass or rubber do not allow electricity to pass through them easily. These are known as insulators. When we connect a conductor to a power source, a current starts flowing through it. If we measure the current at any point in the circuit, we find that the same amount of current is flowing in all parts of the circuit. This is called the conservation of electric charge. The total electric charge in a closed circuit remains constant. Now, let's see what happens when we connect a resistor to a circuit. A resistor is a component that resists the flow of current. It converts electrical energy into other forms of energy like light or heat. A resistor limits or regulates the amount of current flowing through a circuit. Let's see how a light bulb works. When we switch on the electric circuit, electrons begin to flow through the filament of the bulb. As the electrons move through the filament, they collide with the atoms of the filament material. These collisions cause the atoms to vibrate and the light bulb to heat up. The hot filament then emits light. Different amounts of current flowing through the filament will result in different amounts of light being emitted. In this way, we can control the brightness of a bulb by varying the amount of current flowing through it. By changing the amount of current, we are changing the amount of electrical energy converted into light and heat. Let's see how an electric motor works. An electric motor is a machine that converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. It does this by rotating a shaft. The shaft is connected to a gear which can be used to perform useful work. When we switch on the electric circuit, electrons begin to flow through the armature of the motor. The magnetic field of the permanent magnet causes the electrons to be deflected to one side. This creates a force which causes the shaft to rotate. As the shaft rotates, it turns the gear, which performs useful work. The speed of rotation of the shaft depends on the amount of current flowing through the motor. So friends, this is all for today. If you like this video, press the like button and do share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed, then what are you waiting for? Press the subscribe button and become a member of our family. We'll see you in the next video. Till then, bye-bye and take care.